Jake's Treasure Beach is an ultra-inclusive, unparalleled seaside paradise in Jamaica, owned by the Hensel family as a love letter to the island and named after their cherished parrot, Jake. The resort exudes luxury and elegance, with its striking colors, breathtaking architectural curves reminiscent of the works of the renowned artist Gaudi, and a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces adorned with lush greenery. The atmosphere is nothing short of serene, vibrant, imaginative, and overwhelmingly inviting, making it the ultimate getaway destination. When you look inside each villa or cottage, it exudes an authentic West Indian ambiance with its rustic features such as louvered windows and doors, concrete floors, and the traditional charm that is sure to transport you to a different world. However, it is highly recommended that you bring preferred insect repellent, as the resort's rustic atmosphere may attract unwanted guests. The Jake's cottages are truly a class of their own, offering a range of opulent accommodations that cater to every taste, from the most luxurious, comfortable, to the ruggedly rustic. If you're looking for the ultimate in modern luxury, the Hope House Villa is the epitome of indulgence and should be at the top of your list. Jake's Treasure Beach offers a wide selection of accommodation options, with a total of 66 rooms and villas available on and off the property, including both privately owned and managed options. The rooms are designed with the utmost comfort in mind, and many feature open-air outdoor showers that allow you to stargaze at night, as well as Jake's own brand of luxury Jamaican driftwood toiletries. Guests can also enjoy private sun decks with unobstructed views of Frenchman's Bay and an easy access to the water for an idyllic beach experience. You know, truly what Jamaica is about. So what's appealing to the luxury traveler? Jake's Beach offers a truly one-of-a-kind, off-the-beaten-path vacation experience, far removed from the hustle and bustle of large, all-inclusive resorts. It is perfect for the leisurely getaway, where guests can truly unwind and let go of any expectations or obligations. If you stay at the resort, or opt out of the villa, do it yourself, you can be offered mouth-watering, simple meals made with the freshest local seafood, produce, and fruits, and the opportunity to sample traditional Jamaican specialities such as ackee and saltfish or steamed callaloo, a crowd fave. If you also stay at the resort, they offer classes in painting, mosaics, and cooking to add a cultural and creative touch to your vacation. The two-story spa, with its daily local sessions on the upper deck with spectacular views, is the ultimate in relaxation. The warm and welcoming staff will surely make you feel right at home, and by staying at Jake's, you're supporting a local, family-owned, multi-generational business with a heart.
Violet sky on my skin.